Horizons, no! Why are you gone, Horizons? Launch ticket, orange team, more intense training. Warning, warning. Danger, Will Robertson. Danger. Danger. Hi.
Attention astronaut candidates. If you are uncertain whether Orange Team, more intense training is right for you, we strongly encourage you to select.
Is it right for you?
Less intense training.
Oh yeah. Two.
One, please. How many? Three.
History of mankind, space exploration. I know you're probably feeling a little nervous right now, but don't worry, every astronaut has felt that way at one time or another. Even the heroes who went to the moon. But there is one thing they had that you don't have yet. Training.
X2 is on its way.
We're going to space.
Check complete.
Oh, I think we're here, right? Oh, we're right here, yeah. I almost followed you. Ready for space.
Attention astronaut candidates. You have selected Orange Team, more intense. If you are prone to motion sickness or made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces, simulators, or spinning, you may exit the flight training area now.
Congratulations, team. You have been selected to train for a mission to Mars. Teams are awaiting your arrival at the landing site here at Valles Marineris. Your mission is to get to that landing site. Your flight path to Mars will take you around the moon for lunar gravity assist. But even with that slingshot, your trip will take 3 months. So we'll have to put you into hypersleep.
Hypersleep activated.
Don't worry, it'll only seem like a second or two to you. I'll give you a wake-up call when we get to Mars.
T-minus 3 minutes of cap.
Follow the markers on the floor to your X2 trainer and begin boarding now.
Oh, we're in the same spots like last time. Commander
Store personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up and pull down on the restraint.
Commander Mount.
Capcom, to Mars X2. Welcome aboard, team. After you get settled, check out your buttons. Navigator, welcome aboard. Now remember, during the mission, you will be initiating lunar orbit and descent. Pilot, the X2 is an excellent ship. All you have to do is fire the second stage and deploy the shields. Surgeon, how are we doing?
All good for launch.
Commander, just remember your assignments. First stage separation and manual control.
Loading flight plan.
Engineer, just a reminder, you will activate hypersleep and extend the wings.
Bags are located on the instrument panel.
You just gotta kind of pee yourself. Yeah, space.
Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control are proud to be a part of this historic liftoff.
Mission Control, this is the firing room. Give us the go for launch. Go, Surgeon. Go flight. Network. Go flight. You are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
Oh yeah.
Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Mission control to Mars X2. You are go.
Oh wow.
Commander, initiate first stage separation. Now.
Computer override initiated. 0G confirmed.
Ace
You're
that.
looking good, team. Pilot, engage second stage rocket. Now.
Engaged. Leaving Earth orbit. Velocity 15,000. 16,000.
You should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around the moon. Navigator, fire rockets for lunar orbit insertion, now.
LOI confirmed.
Beautiful sight, isn't it? Something to dream about on the way to Mars. Engineer, activate hypersleep, now.
Computer override activated. Hypersleep duration 3 months. Monitoring mode.
Good night, guys.
Rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem.
Beginning evasive maneuvers.
This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site.
Proximity alert.
Pilot, deploy the shield, now.
Shield deployed.
We're ready for deorbit burst. Navigator, fire rockets for descent, now.
Rocket fired. 200 miles to planet surface.
Engineer, extend wings for gliding, now.
Computer override. Wings extended.
We've lost autopilot. Commander, activate manual control, now.
Activated.
All hands on the control stick. Pull back! Pull back! Left, pull left. Watch the canyon wall. Now right. Ease it left. They're coming in too hot. Back to center. Just hold it steady.
Runway ends in 1,000 feet. 200
Watch
feet.
the barrier.
50 feet.
Pull back. Hang on. Down and clear.
Alert. Location canyon edge.
Don't move a muscle. Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars. And welcome to the astronaut corps.
Okay, heads back, releasing restraints.
All right, babe. You had fun?
That's a lot of pressure.
There's a lot of pressure, right? For our first ride, we had to get you going. You had more fun this time?
Yeah.
What made it more fun?
Because last time you guys were really hot. I might get sick, so I kept thinking about that and then just ride.
Well, somebody was really sick back there, so people do get sick on here, so we just I just wanted to warn you last time. Well, they probably could have waited in here for us, huh? Lots of cool stuff for everyone, for all the kids. Got like little jetpack games and whatnot over here. Spacesuits. I like this backpack. It says Commander. I am Groot. I always love this picture. I don't know why, it looks so cool. I would have that at my house. Oh, I love these guys. I never get enough of them.